How did Apple manages to lose $80 billion just after the launch of iPhone 12? Apple's $80 billion loss. Shares of American technology giant Apple Incorporation fell as much as 4% intraday on 13th October after the company unveiled its first ever 5G iPhone lineup.
Good morning and welcome. We are so pleased that you could join us today. Today, we're bringing 5G to iPhone. 5G, 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 ultra wideband, 5G, 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 5G.
iPhone 12 with 5G. 5G, 5G, 5G,
5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G,
5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G, 5G.
Thank you for joining us. Stay safe and have a great day.
The drop wiped out approximately $81 billion from the company's market capitalization as investors reacted to the new launch. Although the drop was most likely temporary and is not surprising after new iPhone is launched. Apple announced 4 new iPhones beside an affordable smart speaker, the HomePod Mini. But why did it notice such a big drop at an announcement? Well, before we tell you why, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for new cool tech related videos. Pricing of the new devices is the first reason. The fact that Apple has left out accessories such as charger and earphones from the iPhone 12 box is another. In terms of features also, there are minor iterations with 5G being the only big upgrade. Even in the terms of camera, there is no huge upgrade. They have added new features like Lidar, light detection and ranging sensor, which might not appeal to all. However, this is one-time fall and Apple will recover from this as soon as the iPads do well. But the main reason behind fall is Apple's share could be attributed to the over expectations that the market had from the event, including in terms of product announcements alongside the iPhone 12 series. So you see, knee-jerk reactions from investors are quite common after Apple events. Usually the stocks remain flat or show slight gains when investors are happy with what they see, while drops are more significant when they are disappointed. For instance, Apple stock rose 1% after the XS launch 2 years ago, while falling 3% and 2% in 2016 and 2015 respectively, after the launch of the iPhone 7 and 6s. Apple stock dropped to below $120 during Tuesday's unveiling, but started rising at $121.70 on Wednesday.